Don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then.
Yeah, I knew you would turn right. I knew you didn't want none of this, baby. This slow Ferrari right here. Come on, man. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
You don't weigh nothing.
What do you mean? I'm 220. I gotta wreck the bike, bro. I know, bro. LeVar the Moto Man. Look it up. LAVAR on Instagram. All right, boy. Uh-oh, he lit it up. What up, boy? Right there, bro. Oh man, this guy. Hey, big boy. Hey, big boy. That boy turned his head quick on you. Oh, sorry. Oh, that was crazy. Can I get a hug? Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? The stranger danger day. I can't have a hug? It's just a hug. Come on. Do I get one? You're on camera. You're on camera. No hug? No? Aww. You can go, buddy. She wouldn't give me a hug. She's being mean. Oh, that's awesome. Here's my ticket. You guys can park here the rest of the day.
God bless you.
Have a good day, you guys. What up, bro? Finish the song, bro. I got the horses in the bag. Come on, bro. You don't know it? Hey! Hell yeah, bro. That was great. Here, this for you, Juan. Will you marry me? You ain't gonna take him? I bought him.
Oh my God.
No? It doesn't go down like that?
No.
Later, brother.
Okay, have a good day.
You too. You too, Juan. Here, this for you. You don't want it? It's a rose. Come up for her. Come up for her. Nobody? Someone gotta take the rose. Alright, how about this? Here. There we go. Now you have to take it. I need a lift.
You need one?
Yeah.
You have the app on your...
I just leave my bike right here.
You're gonna leave your bike right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you know...
I stole this.
What?
I just stole this from Walmart.
Oh, okay.
He left the keys. What do you want me to do?
You know what? I love people with a sense of fucking humor.
I don't have a sense of humor. I'm so serious.
You stole it.
Yeah, he had the helmet on the mirror. I put it on. Bro, look, I would get off right now.
No, dude, no.
You gonna give me a ride?
No, not if you do that. I can't.
The cops are coming, bro.
I'm insane. But you're cool. I hope I do get you for a ride sometime, man. You're fucking cool.
Look me up, bro. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, yeah, what does it say?
LeVar the Moto Man.
All right.
What's up, boy? You look like Ricky Martin, bro. Look at you, bro. I see the fresh cut. I see you, bro. Good job, man. How's your day, bro? Yeah, not too bad. Wanna go on a date? It's just amazing. I miss home.